Hello learners, this is Madam Latricia Manga with another lesson of Humanities and Social Studies, and it is just a continuation from where we stopped with the topic environment. And remember, in the first place we looked onto the definition of environment, and we proceeded to the extent of looking into the humanity activities that affect environment. And also we started the topic of the same environment, but looking onto the components of environment, whereby we say there are four components of the environment, which is the hydrosphere, the lithosphere, the oetrosphere, and the mesosphere. So we were just looking onto each of the components of the environment, and we looked onto two. Now today it is just a continuation from where we stopped, because I said I will start from the hydrosphere. So here I am now with hydrosphere's explanation. So what is this? The hydrosphere is the aquatic part of the biosphere. This includes oceans, rivers, lakes, and other bodies of water. Unlike the lithosphere and the atmosphere, every portion of the hydrosphere supports life. Every portion of the hydrosphere supports life. Hydro means water, so water is life. That's why we are saying every part of the hydrosphere supports life. So this includes oceans, rivers, lakes, and other bodies of water, sources of water, where we can find water. So specially adapted bacteria grow in hot springs, tube worms for the basis of sulfur-based communities around deep sea, hydrothermal veins, and in more hospitable regions life abounds. Water-dwelling individuals of virtually every taxonomic group of plants and animals have been identified as important parts of the biosphere. Water is essential to life, and the hydrosphere also plays an important part in atmosphere formation. Because water is life, that's why we are saying this hydrosphere plays a vital role in the atmosphere formation. Okay, so let us look at the picture of the hydrosphere. So this is the picture of the hydrosphere. This is how it looks. You can see here the deposition of water, transportation, and here we have the sun, the condensation, evaporation. You can see here, this one would be the topic on its own, on hydrosphere, because it's water cycle, how water works, how somehow we can say the formation of rainfall, because water comes from the rain. So this one on its own is going to be the lesson, but in short I can just say, to make you understand, I should say this is the shape of the hydrosphere, and the hydrosphere is part of the one of the components of the environment. So I will explain much on this in our next lesson. Proceeding with our lesson, let us look at the lithosphere. So what is the lithosphere? This is one of the components of the environment, and the lithosphere is the terrestrial part of the biosphere. It consists of the solid land masses such as continents and islands. The deeper parts of the lithosphere, known as the lower mantle and the core, do not support life. The rest of the lithosphere supports a variety of life, from bacteria to large mammals, and trees hundreds of feet tall. Trees hundreds of feet tall. The weathering of the lithosphere crust forms soil, which provides minerals and organic waste to support life. In addition, the land provides shelter and protection for animals from weathermen. Okay, now let us look at the picture of the lithosphere. So this is a picture of lithosphere. Also here, when we are back in our classes, physical classes, I shall explain much on this because some words here are very small. Others may have problems to review these words and how this process is going on. So in our next lesson, if we are not back in classes physically, this one also will be a separate topic for me to explain the process of a lithosphere. How does it go? So that's it. And our next topic will be water cycle. This one is coming from here. I said I will explain much on the hydrosphere. Hydro means water. So the water process from evaporation to precipitation. How does it go? So in our next topic, I will explain much on this, but the hydrosphere water cycle on its own, it's a topic that we will start in our next lesson. Remember to watch this video and continuous now and then so that you understand it much better, and then you have to answer the questions that I will give you. Thank you so much. This has been Madam Latricia Manda. Stay home, stay safe. Remember to use hand sanitizers and wash your hands frequently with soap. COVID-19 is real. People are dying out there, so stay home, stay safe, and abide to the precautionary measures of COVID-19. Bye-bye for now. Till our next lesson.